Today we are making a simple and delicious Moroccan summer dinner.
Peppers go first, straight over the open flame. No pan, no foil, just fire and a little patience, while the skin blisters and blackens. Once they are fully grilled, get them into a bag while they're still hot. That trapped steam does the peeling for you. While those are steaming away, we move to the potatoes. Peeled and hand cut, always. These fries will be far from perfect anyway. They will be soft, they will be soggy, with a slightly sweet aftertaste, and we love them this way. Plus, they will taste just the same tomorrow when you eat them as leftovers, on the beach, as a sandwich. Salt them straight out of the oil. The salt melts right in instead of sitting there like grains of sand. Garlic, thinly sliced. Parsley and cilantro, finely chopped. Medium-high heat, olive oil, garlic in, and we wait until they turn golden. If you can make your own tomato puree, please go for it. Otherwise, use some pulpa, not passata. You want to still see some flesh in there, still see some texture. You know, this is not a smoothie. For spices, we're gonna keep it simple. Salt, fresh black pepper, cumin, and paprika. Herbs go in last, reduce the heat, and then let it just sit and reduce. Let it cool down slowly. A good sauce does not like to be rushed. And this one has to be eaten at room temperature or almost cold. Peppers out of the bag and the skins practically fall off on their own. Straight onto the sauce they go, laid over the top like little blankets. When you eat them, you open them by hand, you get a little strip with some sauce and a piece of bread. Perfect. Eggplants, sliced thin and fried at 180 Celsius or 360 Fahrenheit. Otherwise, they will drink your oil like a sponge. And yes, reuse the oil. It's good and flavorful already. Cook from both sides until they are golden brown, and then straight onto a kitchen towel with a little salt on top while they're still hot. And that's it. And harissa on the side because it's nice to have a little kick, plus it's summer and you're already sweating. And of course, no Moroccan summer dinner is complete without a very cold and juicy watermelon. And to close it out, a Coca-Cola. Not advertising, just tradition and nostalgia. And you can only top this off by spending the night on the roof and heading to the beach the next morning with some amazing leftovers.